To perform Webull analysis in Excel, start by downloading the Webull add-in from the Webull website. Once installed, open Excel and navigate to the Data tab, where you will find the Webull option. Click on it to activate the add-in. Next, create a new worksheet or open an existing one where you want to perform the analysis. In the Webull add-in, select the type of data you want to analyze, such as stocks, options, or cryptocurrency. Then, enter the ticker symbol of the security you want to analyze. Webull will retrieve the data and display it in a table format. You can customize the data by selecting the specific columns you want to view, such as price, volume, or moving averages. You can also adjust the time frame of the data, from intraday to historical. To perform technical analysis, use Excel formulas to calculate indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index, or Bollinger Bands. For example, to calculate a 50-day moving average, use the formula average data 50, where data is the range of cells containing the price data. To create charts, use the Excel charting tools to visualize the data. Select the data range and go to the Insert tab. Then select the type of chart you want to create, such as a line chart or candlestick chart. Best practices for Webull analysis in Excel include using multiple timeframes to confirm trends, combining technical and fundamental analysis, and backtesting strategies before implementing them in live markets. By following these steps and using the Webull add-in in Excel, you can perform in-depth analysis of financial markets and make informed investment decisions. Webull analysis in Excel is a powerful tool for traders and investors, providing a flexible and customizable platform for data analysis and visualization.